Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to draw this rhombus pattern using for loops in Java. So for that we are going to follow some steps. In step 1, draw this pattern into rows and column format and give number to these lines. So this is the first line, second, third and fourth. Second step is coding. So let's begin our coding part. First part is variable declaration. Declare lines variable for lines. Then each time when star is not in the first block, the space before the stars need to be printed. So declare space count variable for space. There is no need to print these spaces which are next to the star. Then declare star count variable for stars. Second part is variable initialization. This pattern has 4 lines. So initialize 4 2 lines variable. Then first line has 3 spaces. So initialize 3 2 space count variable. And first line has 4 stars. So initialize 4 2 star count variable. Then we need a loop to control the lines. So first thing is loop is going to start from 1. How much is it going? That depends on number of lines. Here we have 4 lines. So it will go up to 4. I directly take lines variable. Then each time we are going to increment I by 1. So when I equal to 1 there will be first line. I equal to 2 there will be second line. Similarly the third and fourth. When we have gone through the lines we need to manage the stars and space. When I equal to 1, I equal to 2 means when we are on the first line, second line, we need to define 2 for loops to manage stars and space. Here space must be printed before the stars, so we using another for loop to manage the space. First start from 1 and it goes up to space count variable, that is 3. And each time we are going to increment j by 1. Then what we need to do is we need to print the space inside this for loop. Why we use system.out.print instead of system.out.println? Because if we use system.out.println, then cursor moves to the next line and space will be printed on the next line. I will show you. First I will take system.out.println and print underscore instead of space to understand. Look here, every time underscore is printed on the new line, but we don't need that. We need underscore print one after the another. So take print. Now underscore is printed on same line and one after the another. So that's what we want. So take a system.out.print. Then that is the loop. Then we need another for loop to manage the stars. It starts from k equal to 1 and it goes up to the star count variable, that is 4. And each time we are going to increment k by 1. Then what we need to do is we need to print the star inside this for loop. Then we know that every time when line is completed, we need to shift onto the next line. So come out of this loop and print a new line. Use system.out.println statement for shift to the next line. Then see the pattern. First line has 3 space, second line has 2 and third has 1. It means space decreased by 1. So reinitialize the space count variable. Space count variable decreased by 1. Do not need to reinitialize the star count variable because each line has same number of stars. Our coding part is completed here. Let's see the logic behind this program. First of all, declare and initialize 3 variables by their values. Then we have a for loop with integer I equal to 1. So line 1 is selected. I less than equal to lines means 1 less than equal to 4. Checks out the condition. If condition is true, then comes to here. Now for in j equal to 1, j less than equal to space count, 1 less than equal to 3. Checks out condition. Condition is true. So print a space. Then go back to j++. J becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 3. Condition true. So again print space on first line. Then j++, j becomes 3. 3 less than equal to 3. So print space. Then j becomes 4. 4 is not less than equal to 3. So end this for loop and comes to this for loop. Now k equal to 1. K less than equal to star count means 1 less than equal to 4. Condition true. Print star on first line. Then go back to k++. K becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 4. So again print star. Then k becomes 3. 3 less than equal to star count. 3 less than equal to 4. So print star. Then k becomes 4. 4 less than equal to 4. Condition true. Print star. Then k becomes 5. 5 is not less than equal to 4. So end this for loop and prints a new line. Then space count equal to space count minus 1 means 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Space count becomes 2. Then go back to I++. I becomes 2 now. So line 2 is selected. Then 2 less than equal to 4. That's why comes to here. Now j equal to 1. 1 less than equal to 2. So print space. Then j++, j becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 2. Again print space. Then j becomes 3. 3 is not less than equal to 2. So end this for loop and comes to this for loop. Now end k equal to 1. 1 less than equal to 4. So print star. Now k becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 4. Again print star. Then k becomes 3. 3 less than equal to 4. So print star. Then k++, k becomes 4. 4 is also less than equal to 4. Print star. Then go back to k++, k becomes 5. But 5 is not less than equal to 4. So end this for loop and prints a new line. Then space count equal to space count minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Then go back to I++, I becomes 3. Line 3 is selected. 3 less than equal to 4. So comes to here. J equal to 1. 1 less than equal to 1, print space. Go back to j++, j becomes 2, but 2 not less than equal to 1. So end this for loop and go back to this for loop. Int k equal to 1, k less than equal to 4, true, so print star. Then go back to k++, k becomes 2, still 2 less than equal to 4, so again print star. Similarly, these 2 stars also printed until the k becomes 5. Now end this for loop and print a new line. Then reinitialize space count variable, space count becomes 0. Then go back to I++, I becomes 4, so line 4 is selected. 4 less than equal to 4, condition true, so comes to this for loop. Now j equal to 1, but 1 is not less than equal to 0, so nothing will be print here, and end this for loop. Now comes to this for loop, k equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 4, print star. Then go back to k++, k becomes 2, 2 less than equal to 4, so again print star. Similarly, these 2 stars also printed until k becomes 5, so print these 2 stars and end this for loop. Now cursor moves to next line. Then reinitialize space count variable, space count equal to space count minus 1, space count becomes minus 1. Then go back to I++, I becomes 5, but 5 is not less than equal to 4, so this for loop also end here. This is our program. Now we will run this program on Eclipse. This is the output we want.